Okay, so I'm in my brother's yard today, and he's got an overgrown tree, and today we're gonna see if this little tiny chainsaw could take care of our big tree problem. So let's give it a shot. All right, so let's take a look what's in the box. This is the Tomy Vic mini electric chainsaw, and you can see it fits on my desk, and it's not very big at all. So let's see how well it works. Let's see what's in the box first. All right, let's read some of the warnings. It's general safety hazard, yeah. Read the manual, use goggles, wear protection, don't use in the rain. Let's see. Keep away from flammables. You know, just basic stuff. I mean, this is a chainsaw, so you do have to be careful despite the size. Okay, comes in this carrying case. Okay, user manual, quick operation. We'll take a look at that later. Oh, it's nice. Comes with some gloves. That's always handy. I could always use extra gloves, goggles. So it tells you to use these things and it gives you these things, okay? Here's an extra chainsaw because there's already one on there. This is oil dispenser. We'll take a look at that in a second. A screwdriver and another tool. I'm assuming that's to do maintenance and things like that. Here's the power AC adapter, and another really nice thing is that it comes with two battery packs. So, you know, one could be recharging or be fully charged while you're working on the other one. Runs out, just swap out. You don't have to end your day because you got two. Let's take a look at the main thing here. But the main thing is this little saw. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's pretty small. So it's got this safety thing on top. So I think, let's see how big it is. Let me grab my ruler. All right, so it looks like it's just over 15 inches, almost 16 inches. Let's put in the battery. Okay, so with the battery, it's closer to 17 with the battery. Okay, so let's charge up the battery and give it a shot. So I'm going to charge up both these batteries. All right, I have it plugged in, and you can see there's a red light on the plug. So I assume that's going to turn green when it's ready. We'll give it a shot. Turned green, so I know this one's done. I'll charge the other one. All right, so it's all charged up, so let's give it a shot. So, seems pretty powerful. Oh, dang. That was pretty cool. Let's cut more. Man, this is kind of fun. I'm going to have to hold back from cutting down the whole tree, but this little sucker is just taking care of business. Alright, so I'm going to finish up this tree, but it's going to be a pretty easy job with this sucker. You can see it's already a lot less unruly. So let's continue. Alright, this one's a little bit bigger. All right, so we cleaned up some of the cuttings and we ran out of space in the trash, but there it is, a lot less unruly.